consider sending your prayers directly to these doctors because they are performing fucking miracles. One of the most special encounters that I had as a doctor was outside of work and not with a patient. I was arriving home, I get in the elevator, and I see a good friend of mine who's my neighbor. We had plans the following day to get together to celebrate his father's birthday. So we're making small talk, we confirm the plans, and we both go home. Seconds later, I get a phone call from him. He says, "My father fell, he seems confused, something's off, I'm worried." I run over there, sure enough, his father's on the ground, half his face is paralyzed, his arm and leg is paralyzed on one side, his speech is very slurred, and the words that he's saying don't make sense, and the speech is not fluent. So I immediately say, "Your father's having a stroke, we have to get him to the hospital." I call 911, paramedics arrived within minutes. He's quickly worked up and found to have a stroke with what's called a large vessel occlusion. One of the major arteries that goes to the brain is blocked. And he undergoes a procedure called a mechanical thrombectomy. And he makes 100% recovery and makes it home in 3 days. So this procedure, a mechanical thrombectomy for large vessel occlusion, is considered one of the most successful and efficacious procedures in the history of medicine. Some studies suggest it is more effective than giving antibiotics for someone with a bacterial infection causing septic shock. Yeah, you heard that right. The procedure is done through your groin. This catheter goes all the way up to the brain. It finds the clot, and then it either yanks the clot out or sucks it out. And it's been shown to have tremendous success in lowering or preventing disability, as well as some benefit in mortality. So it's a combination of hard work between the emergency room doctors, radiologists, neurologists, and neurosurgeons. And this is what I call a miracle of modern medicine. So to the religious folks out there that pray, if you or your loved one ever has a stroke from a large vessel occlusion, consider sending your prayers directly to these doctors because they are performing fucking miracles. And this was extra special because this was a very good friend of mine